In today's video, I am going to show you 3 amazing blending effects to try in CapCut. So first go to stock materials and import a black background, so you can make it longer depending on the duration you want. Now go to text, then add a default text to the timeline, then extend your text to match the duration of the black background. Then go to the text area and type anything you want. So I will type Fusion. Now change the font and resize it and position it at where you want. Then import the video you want to use to the media panel. Now select both the text and the background and create a compound clip. Then when you are done, import your footage on top of the text. And trim all the part you don't want of if there is the need to do so. Then under Basic, scroll down to Blend, click the Mode drop-down menu, and select Multiply. So as you can see, our video has been blended with the text. So you can resize your video and position where in the video you want to appear in the text. When you are done, select all the clips on the timeline, then create a compound clip. Now go to Effects and search Water Ripple, or you can find it in Distortion. Then drag and drop it onto the footage on the timeline. So now you can play around with the settings till you get what you want. So I will be using this to videos for this tutorial. So add the footage you want to change the sky to the timeline. Then add the sky footage to the timeline. Then trim your footage so both videos have the same duration. Now select the sky footage, then go to Mask, then select Horizontal Mask. Position your mask and add some feathering to the mask. So now we have to blend our two skies together. So under Basic, scroll down to Blend, click on the Mode drop-down menu, and select Multiply. So now we need to add some adjustment to both footages, so our video won't look odd. So we are going to start with the main footage, so select it, then go to Adjustment, and adjust the footage to match the sky. So when you are done, select the sky footage and adjust it too, if there is a need to do so. So go to text and add a default text to the timeline, then extend it to how long you want. But if you watch till the end of the video, I will give you a tip that will make you extend short video to any duration. Now go to the text area and type anything you want. But since I am creating a watermark, I will use my channel name, so we'll type Fusion Frame. Then you change the font to any font you want, then resize it a bit. So now we are going to add some editing to the text, and since our background is black, it will be hard to see. So go to Stock Materials and add a white background to the timeline. So now add some stroke and shadow to your text, or you can also use the text preset style. But I recommend you add stroke and shadow by yourself. So under Basic, scroll down till you find stroke and shadow, then add them to your text. So when you are done, right-click on the text and create a compound clip. Then delete the white background, and move your compound clip to the main layer. Now go to Video, then under Basic, scroll down to Canvas, click on the drop-down, select Color, then select Green. Then when done, export your video. But since this is a watermark and can be used in long videos, then you have to export it in GIF. So I am going to show you why exporting it in GIF later in the video. So click on Export, scroll down a bit to find GIF, then check the box, but I am going to export both in video and GIF format. So after export, add them back to the media panel, and the video that you want to put the watermark on. So first import the video first, then add your watermark on top. So now go to Blend, then select Multiply. Then go to Remove Background and use the chroma key to remove the green screen. So this are our watermark, and I am going to show you why you should export in GIF format. So when it comes to clips in GIF format, you can extend it to the duration you want, but you can't do same to actual videos. So these are 3 mind-blowing blending effect in CapCut. So comment your favorite in the comments section, and also subscribe, like and share our videos. So see you in the next video.